Meaning of glacé.
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 glacé,
Glacé. Glacé is a French term that translates to glazed or frozen in English. When referring to food, it typically means a shiny coating of syrup or sugar applied to the surface. For example, glacé cherries are candied cherries with a glossy appearance, while a glacé fruit salad may feature fruits coated in a sweet glaze. When used in the context of fashion, glacé describes a type of leather that has been treated to achieve a smooth and shiny surface, typically seen in high-end accessories such as handbags or shoes. In summary, glacé refers to a glossy or frozen appearance, whether applied to food or materials like leather.